Beckham Jr. out of LSU. Didn't have huge production there because they shared the ball. Had another really good receiver in Jarvis Landry. I think he's got a chance to put a show on out here, running all the drills. You know, you should be good for 40, Dan, when your mother is the track and field coach at Tulane. You should have a very good start. If mom can help you out with your 40, I think you're in good shape.
I like that. Charlie,
I always like Beckham there. Well, Beckham's a great pick. To me, he's a top 20 talent. Whether he'll go there, might just depend on how many receivers go ahead of him. But I'm going to jump down to under the radar. Under the radar to me is down. Let's get down a few rounds. Third round. A lot of running backs. Guy I like is Devontae Freeman out of Florida State. This guy's a change of pace back, quicker than fast. I think this guy can run inside and outside. You got Gio Bernard went to the second round last year. Freeman